How do you use a number line to add fractions? In this lesson, you will learn how to add fractions by using a number line. Let's review. A number line is measured by common intervals of length. Here, the unit interval is one whole. The intervals between 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and so on are all the same length, and this can continue on forever. To make a unit fraction on the number line, you partition the unit interval into equal lengths. If you look at this number line, the unit interval is 1/4. The intervals between 0 and 1/4, 1/4 and 2/4, 2/4 and 3/4, and so on, are all the same distance, or the same length, and this can continue past 1. A common misunderstanding happens when you try to combine fractions with different denominators. The unit fractions are different lengths and cannot be added together. Let's use a number line to add 2/8 and 3/8. Here we have a length of 2/8, or 2 1/8 intervals. We're going to combine that with a distance of 3/8, or 3 1/8 intervals. Altogether, we have 5/8, or 5 1/8 intervals, a distance of 5/8. Let's look at this problem. 4/5 and 2/5. I know by looking at the denominator that my unit fraction is 1/5. So I'm going to divide my number line into 1/5 intervals. I will then take 4 of those 1/5 intervals and combine them, add them to 2 1/5 intervals for a total of 6/5. Now, let's use a number line to add 3/4 and 2/4. What unit fraction will you use to divide your number line? I'm going to look at the denominator, which I see as a 4, so I know that my unit fraction is 1/4. I divided my number line into 1/4 intervals. I then took 3 of those 1/4 intervals and added them to 2 1/4 intervals for a total distance of 5/4. In this lesson, you have learned how to add fractions by combining the lengths of the fractions on a number line.